kit, you get one of these. It's the little newsletter. It gives you information about the kit, inspiration. It also gives you a color palette, community spotlights, a few layouts, and stuff from, these are from Stephanie from the community spotlight. And let's see, then it gives you the kit planning tools. It has questions and stuff like that as well that you can answer to help you do stuff. There's a place for journaling. It lets you know that there's downloads that you can get every month, cut files and labels and all sorts of stuff. It's really awesome. Gives you a place to do some sketches, which I really take advantage of this. Do I have mine from last month? Here's like a little quick sneak peek of mine. This is last month. I kind of do my little sketches after I pull my pictures, and then I kind of write a little bit of something, you know, what pictures it is for one, so that I don't forget what goes with what, and then a little bit about what I might want to do, and it may not make a sense to anybody else, but it does to me. So I do take advantage of that. And then there's also the sketch for the month, and everything else. And then there's tips for using sketches. And usually if you go onto the Facebook group, you'll also see a bunch of the design team members using the sketch throughout the month as well. Okay, so I got the embellishment kit, the main kit, and the cardstock add-on. And I'm gonna do, I think, the cardstock add-on first. I love the colors, and I'm gonna be 100% honest. I love the fact that Tracy uses this paper. It's Simple Stories, correct? Yep, Simple Stories. I love this paper that is a cardstock, but it has the cute little dots on it, because it can be used plain, obviously, if you want to, or you can use the polka dot. And I just love the polka dot, because I know we've had like a craft color and a couple other ones. Ooh, and then there's the yellow as well, and it's done the same way. So it's got these gorgeous little polka dots on one side, and then it's just plain on the other. So I really, it's probably some of my favorite cardstock, period, hands down. So you get 2 sheets of each of those, and then you get 2 sheets of this craft. Actually, it's not craft, it's lighter than craft. Potter's Clay is what this one is called. But you get 2 sheets of that, and it's quite thick. And then you get 2 sheets of white from Basil as well. So that is the cardstock. And let me see, I'm gonna put these to the side, and then I'm gonna grab the main kit. And it's got a bunch of gorgeous things in it, so I am excited about that. I'm gonna put the pretties aside. I love these new Vicky Bouton alphas. I don't know if there's a glare on it, because I cannot see my camera at the moment, so apologies, and apologies for the noise. But these are, they have like, it's like newspaper, almost newspaper font, or in the background with the letter stuff pressed. You know, if words could work for me today. The outline of the letters, but it looks like there's kind of newspaper in the background and everything. I really, really like that. They're not just plain, and they, ooh, you can add color to them too. And I am a huge fan of Simple Stories, so I love the fact that they use the colors that they do. It kind of reminds me of like older 70s vibe, the color wise, but I love the pattern and everything. And that's the other side. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Oh, that's gonna be hard for me because I love both sides of those. There's lemons on this one. Oh, and the rainbows. Okay, see, I'm gonna have issues this month because I did not get the pattern paper add-on. So that's gonna be on me. I hate that I did that. The beach balls on this side, which this wouldn't be too big of a deal for me. I think I would probably more so go with this, but that's just me. But I can see popping some of those out and using them for stuff. So, and this is always a thing. I love the cut aparts like this, because of course, yes, you can use this, or you can cut portions of little bits out for embellishments, or you can turn it over and they don't have all the stuff on them, but it gives you perfect journaling spots. I love the seagulls. But you can just use them for the pretty colors up top, or you can use them for the cute little things that they have saying on them on this side, or cut things out, like I said. So love that. Let's see here. And I love the fact that they're combined with so many different collections. So this is a gorgeous flower on the orange, and then the, oh, see, and then there's green on that side. I am going to have to figure out what I'm going to do with these. I love this. Look at those little seagulls. They're so cute. And then it's on the back of a cut apart. Yeah. See, I like to cut a bunch of these little pieces out and use them, but I also like to use them as layers. So we'll see what I end up doing with this. That's gorgeous though. And I do, for some reason, I just love those little seagulls. They're adorable. And then you get Echo Park coming in, which matches perfectly with the peachy pink color. I love the grid. And then it's got cut aparts here too. Oh, and I like to cut out the words. I do fussy cut a lot of that stuff. So we will see what I end up doing. Then here is another Echo Park. There's a bunch of beautiful flowers, brings a little bit of purple in, still has the blues and reds and oranges and yellows. And then this orange plaid matches fantastically. So, oh, see, I love stuff like this. And then this is Simple Stories, just beachy. I love this whole collection. I have used this whole collection and I love it. And both sides match perfectly with this kit. Let's see here. What else do we have? This is more Echo Park's Nice Day. It brings some more of the orange in. I love the little, I call them stars. I know they're not typical stars, but you know, yeah. And then it's got the cute little sun, the smiley faces inside of the flowers. Absolutely love that. And then we've got some more flowers here. Perfect for fussy cutting. I do like to fussy cut, so it's nothing new for me there either. And then look at that. Oh, I love all these cut aparts, and I love the little sprinkles around this one. And I love this. Look at the clouds. Always a perfect thing to add to a layout. And then a beautiful yellow that matches in with everything else. And then you also get this 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheet from Echo Park, and they match great. I love the little ice cream truck, and I love the rainbow feel to some of these. The colors and stuff, I absolutely love that. I love the iced coffee. Definitely something we've been doing this summer. I mean, right now we have excessive heat warnings, so, you know, yeah, iced coffee instead of regular coffee. I like the bananas, and that's just odd to me to see random bananas on there, but my kids eat bananas so often, and they like them frozen. So, yeah. I am going to grab this really quick, so, because I don't have my other little dishes. I'm not quite sure where they're at. And I'm not going to go through every bit of this, okay? But I do know that I love, like, the Simple Stories, little bits and pieces. I'm just going to throw them, apparently. Blue skies. I like all the tabs and stuff that Simple Stories has. So I think that it's always a great thing. Golden rays. Oh, that's awesome. I always think it's a great thing with the ephemera packs because there's so many different things you can use. I like it gives you a place that you can put a title or just write a little something or put a date. That's cute. Oh, I like that they put the little thing in there. But yeah, there's Staying Sunny. You know, oh, look at the little bumblebee. So cute. The little tags, and I'm sorry if you hear my cats. I blocked them out of my crafty room because they like to get up on my desk while I'm going through things, and then things come up missing. I love that. And I don't like my crafty things to come up missing, and so he's yelling at me outside the door. So apologies for that. Sunshine Kisses. Oh, I love the little font too. I know that it has, okay, that says summer. The other one said days. Another little guy there. I do apologize for that cat, man. You also get a little pack. We had some of these tags in a kit, I think a kit previously, and I love these. They're gorgeous. And then you get a cool little heart. It's a puffy heart, and on one side it's kind of glittery, like with what's stitched with it is like shiny. And then you get some little buttons. That's one side of them. Let's see. And then this, if you turn it over, it's just plain and it looks like wood. So there's that as well. And I am extremely excited about this month's sequin mix because it's absolutely beautiful. Trying to see if I have something that I could do this on. Well, I've got a cut piece of cardstock. So I'm going to go ahead and shake some of it out there so I can put it up a little closer. But it has little fruits and stuff in it as well, and they're just the cute. There's an apple, there's flowers, there's pears, there's watermelons. I think that's a grapefruit, but they're just gorgeous, and the colors are just perfect. So I am gonna go ahead and put that back in before I move on because I don't want to lose them. Oh, and I almost lost one, which is okay. But And then lastly, I have the embellishment kit to share with you that add on here, and so much in it. Oh wow. See, look at all the pretties. Oh, okay. Where to start? I know there's always a glare. So you can get these Joyful Notes Puffy alphas. I love these teeny tiny little alphas. Great for titles or subtitles. Love that. You also get the Just Beachy Floral ephemera. So many pieces in here. See if I can pull that forward. Again, I'm not going to go really slow with this, but I love these, and I love the greenery that they have in with this as well. Love those. That's so cute. The colors are gorgeous. You know, it goes with everything in the kit. I seriously love that greenery though down in there. The florals are just so cute, and the big leaves, and it mix and matches all the colors. You know, some lighter colored ones that just have the line work on them. Looks like some little lilies. I love this. It's gorgeous. Big old clusters too. Let's see here. And then you also get these Just Beachy, the epoxy adhesive chipboard pieces, and the epoxy brads. Yeah, that's what they are. I love these glasses, the Beach Vibes. This little thing is just adorable. I've always wanted one of those. They're just the cutest thing. But I love the different colors. This one says Get Away. Love the birds. Flip-flops in paradise. Warm, fun. Just gorgeous pieces. Let me get some of these. I love these. I always find ways to use them. I used to be something that was really hard for me was to use these big frames. I'm getting better at it. I'm not perfect at it. I'm getting better. But this one, I think we get a half of a pack is what it is. And this one says, so much sun, so little time. And it's got a little bike with a watermelon on the back, stuff in the basket. This one just says Summer Memories with the green around the edge. Love that. And then a double one here. Look at the little bumblebee again. I love their little bumblebee. It's different than any of the other ones. Summer Fun. And this little guy is different too. That's so cute. But I love the little frames. And then I am going to open the ephemera pack from Echo Park really quick, and I will be done. I try not to make these too long. I don't know if you guys like that or not, but I love that. Sweet Treats. It matches over with the rainbow vibes on the 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheet. There's just all sorts of little places for you to add in some journaling or tuck something under. This pops apart so you have a frame. There's that. Summer Love, Take It Easy. There's Wishing You a Lovely Day. Every summer has a story. I love that. Poke the little pieces out there. I Heart Summer, but it's a strawberry. Cute. Squeeze the Day. Sunshine and Fresh Air. Freshly Picked Flowers for You. Another little journaling spot. Life is Good. The ice cream truck again. I just want to soak up the sun. Oh, there's so many things. Ooh, I'd like to go roller skating this summer. Popsicle, more iced coffee, magical day. Just cute little bits and pieces that you can constantly put here and there. And there's a big one. What is this one? Shine. That's what this one says. Oh, I love that. So that is the main kit, the cardstock add-on, and the embellishment kit add-on. I really hope that you enjoyed this. Sorry, everything is just kind of pushed to one side, but everything is gorgeous, and I really wanted to do a quick unboxing because I'm ready to jump in and start playing with this gorgeous kit. So I hope that you enjoyed this. And make sure to check back for, you know, more layouts to come with this kit. Make sure to check out the Facebook group and the website for Mercy Tiara kits. All the links will be below. Nothing is an affiliate link or anything like that. I mark it if it is. But that way you have all the quick links so you can get to the Facebook group, the Instagram, the shop, and everything. And we'd love to see you involved with the sketch challenge and everything else. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.